And we back with another video, guys. Your boy Kayzano and I'm here with
KC.
Alright, so guys, you already know that we're gonna jump onto the song, guys. Plus 263 Gemma featuring Nutty O and the boy Asaph. The collab is crazy, mda. We sorry 3
I was shocked to see Gemma,
Nutty O and Asaph. I wanna know how Asaph is gonna blend into the two, because it's like different type of genres.
Yeah, it's different.
A mixer. But yeah, that's what you like to see.
Right,
we like to see the collaborations and puts the nation together.
It's a banger.
But yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's get straight into the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share with a friend, and subscribe.
Right.
And yeah, link to the original video down below. And yeah, let's get straight to it.
Ina Gemma abakanzi ability wona kazonzi na Asaph mira take it back. Ability extension.
Hey, representing the kings of queens, city of the kings and queens. Alright.
Moyo wangu wakambelea howdy, yeah. Kuporoga, just like boom boom, loving on ya. Every time I phone on cellular, my heart gon' beat like crazy. I'ma keep it to a minimum, I'm missing you, it's criminal, yeah. So call me after midnight, I'll wait up, and we'll talk till sunrise. Call me out.
I won't even lie. This is not the sound I was expecting.
Yeah, for real.
I won't even lie. I like it though. I like it, but it wasn't the sound. I was expecting more like should I say an upbeat?
Oh, yeah.
You know, but I like
but
that it's a
dope.
It's a slow item.
Which means the plus 263 is no pizza.
Mira teaser. Oh, you got to jump.
Yeah.
Call me after midnight, I'll wait up for you. For my plus 263, I'll wait for you. 263, wait for you to phone me. 263, phone up for you and me,
so baby, honestly, that's why you and me. We produce a whispering like we got privacy. I love the telephone, love and I feel your energy. So I'ma call you anytime your voice my remedy. Yeah. So you gon' wait for my call, baby.
No. But
Is not here.
about shit. The blend. I like the blend. I like the blend so far between Gemma and
Nutty O, yeah.
But those ones what teachers will shake us say go see. Good at Asaph, man. That's all we want to hear how he's gonna get that side now.
Yeah.
But
yeah,
hey,
waiting.
Let's see.
We go all vibe on a telephone. The chaku butter for a midnight call. Make your feel special, I feel a sensation.
I won't even lie, I feel like this is gonna be an anthem.
Yeah, for real.
Anthem, Yama midnight goes.
Oh, so is there?
Yeah, to my late. So, I just was reading. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about.
after midnight, I'll wait up, and we'll talk till sunrise. Call me after midnight, I'll wait up for you.
I'm coming to you from another.
Phone up at 263,
263.
I'll wait.
Girl, I'ma call you one time.
263, wait for you.
Girl, I'ma call you one time.
263, phone up for you and me.
Fell in love on us.
Yeah. Bad thing when you hear the phone ring, I'ma holla hood.
Wrap it up.
That's it.
Why?
Wrap it up.
Why?
Wrap it up. Wrap it up. Rap blend.
But why?
Rap blend. Rap blend. Rap blend.
What's my name? Hey.
Rap blend. It came. That showed as a
little for Japina Chingura. Kasim was winding on the song with you.
Then the beat slowed down. The beat slowed down. Come on, no, I'm sorry, I have to put it back, guys. I have to put it back.
How funny are you and me? Fell in love on a
Bad thing when you hear the phone ring, I'm a holla hosa, give me my darling. All night, got me love you long time. When I see you weekend, that's lolly. No.
When I see you weekend, that's lolly.
Yeah, I told him to be the bad.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. Yes, sir.
Oh, so the son of a look baby, you my number one. Kinda like my sing along. And for that body, girl.
Yes, baby, you're my number one. Kinda like my sing along.
Oh.
Cause summer well, body show us summer well. Make you shake your body now. And lift the head.
Wrap it up. Wrap it up.
Girl, I summer well, body show us summer well. Make you shake your body now. And if they hate my no more now, I promise I'ma call ya. Really young Kaza. So Hosala, I give you love enough.
I'm sorry. One of the switch I take.
Overtime like a melody.
And just see.
Can we say that low-key Asaph is kind of underrated?
Yeah, for you. It's kind of underrated.
Asaph is kind of underrated, which is actually sad. But then, I did not imagine. I shall say this again. I did not imagine this collab, and I like it.
Yeah.
I did not even imagine the tune could get ISO, but it's blending so well with all three artists that it's a very good collaboration.
Yeah.
It just proves good. More collaboration should happen, even if we're not expecting it. They should happen.
What is it?
But Andy doing.
Yeah, you chillin' with your viewer old basil.
From the battle 6'3", highway.
Girl, I'ma call you one time.
6'3", wait for you.
Girl, I'ma call you one time.
6'3", how funny are you and me?
Fell in love on a cell phone. Oh yeah.
6'3", highway.
Girl, I'ma call you one time.
6'3", wait for you.
Girl, I'ma call you one time.
6'3", how funny are you and me?
Fell in love on a cell phone.
I like this beat, guys.
Yeah.
Nah. I'm sorry. I have to give it to the boys and the girls.
Shout out.
Shout out to Gemma, Nutty O, Asaph. But the whole song was actually, it's actually a vibe, guys.
Yeah, it's a vibe.
It's a vibe. Although I was saying I didn't expect it. Yeah, I didn't expect it, but it's a vibe. Funky verse, yeah, Nutty O.
Yeah.
Then the beat slows down, then Asaph. Then you know Gemma's gonna finish the hook. It's 263. But then for this one, guys, it's plus 263. It's a banger.
It's a banger.
No wonder why it's trending.
It's a banger. It's a banger.
So yeah, I think that's it. That's it for the video, guys. That's it for the reaction. If you wanna check the original video down below, the link will be down below. Down below. So yeah, go check that out. And yeah, that's it from your boys. It's your boy Kayzano, and I'm here with
KC.
Make sure you watch the next video.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.